how to change the font size on your Android. If the text on your phone is too small or too large, let me show you how to adjust it in just a few simple steps. First, open the Settings app on your Android. Now, tap Display. Next, tap Font Size and Style. Here, you'll see the font size slider. Simply drag the slider to the left to make the text smaller, or move it to the right to make the text larger. As you adjust the slider, you'll see a preview, so you can choose the size that's most comfortable for you. Here's an important note. If you want the text to stand out even more, you can also enable the bold font option on the same screen. This makes text easier to read without changing the font size too much. Once you've selected your preferred font size, your changes are applied automatically. Just go back and start using your phone with the new text size. That's it. You've successfully changed the font size on your Android. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Android how-to tutorials.